Today, we're going on a fun adventure through the 4 seasons of the year. Let's go! Do you know how many seasons are there in a year? There are 4 seasons in a year. First, we have spring. Next up is summer. After summer, there comes fall. And finally, we have winter. Spring. Spring happens when the weather starts to warm up after the cold winter. The snow melts, flowers begin to bloom, and the days get longer. Isn't that amazing? In spring, everything comes back to life. The trees grow, green leaves, and animals wake up from their long winter naps. Butterflies and bees are buzzing around. Summer. Summer is the hottest season of the year. The sun shines brightly, and we can wear shorts and t-shirts. It's time for ice cream, swimming, and playing at the beach. Summer is perfect for outdoor fun. Lots of people go on vacation or have fun picnics in the park. And don't forget to wear sunscreen to protect yourself from the strong sun. Fall, also known as autumn. In fall, the weather gets cooler and the leaves on trees change colors. Look, they turn red, orange, and yellow, and then they fall off the trees. Fall is a great time to jump in piles of leaves, wear cozy jackets, and get ready for Halloween and Thanksgiving. It's also when farmers harvest their crops, like pumpkins and apples. Winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. In many places, it snows, and you can make snowmen or have snowball fights. In winter, we bundle up in warm clothes like coats, hats, and gloves. People celebrate holidays like Christmas and Hanukkah, and many enjoy drinking hot chocolate by the fireplace. Today we have learned about 4 seasons of the year. What's your favorite season? Spring. Summer. Fall. Winter. Thanks for watching.